If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. To change the selection change properties for list box fields, or the signed properties for e-signature fields within a form in Acrobat, open a form, click the Edit button in the top bar, and then click the Prepare a Form link in the Edit panel to switch to the Prepare a Form view. If you added a list box or e-signature field to a form, double-click the field with the Select tool to open either the list box properties or digital signature properties dialog boxes, respectively. To choose which action occurs when a user interactively selects a choice within the list box in the form, click the Selection Change tab in the List Box Properties dialog box. To take no action when the user selects a choice, which is the default behavior, select the Do Nothing option button. To execute a custom JavaScript when the user selects a choice, choose the Execute this script option button instead. Then click the adjacent Edit button to open the JavaScript Editor dialog box. You can type a JavaScript into the large white text field shown here, or copy and paste a JavaScript into this text field. Then click the OK button when finished. You can then click the Close button in the List Box Properties dialog box when finished. Separately, to choose which action occurs after a user digitally signs an e-signature field, click the Signed tab in the Digital Signature Properties dialog box. To take no action when the user signs the digital signature field, which is the default behavior, select the Nothing Happens When Signed option button. Alternatively, to make form fields read-only after a user signs the form, select the Mark as Read-Only option button. Then select which fields to mark as read-only from the adjacent drop-down: all fields, just fields except these, or just these fields. If you select either of the last two options, then click the Pick button to open the Field Selection dialog box. Then click the fields to place a check mark next to the names of the fields to exclude from or include as being marked as read-only, depending on which choice you selected in the drop-down. Then click the OK button to return to the Digital Signature Properties dialog box. Alternatively, to execute a custom JavaScript after the user signs an e-signature field, choose the This script executes when field is signed option button. Then click the adjacent Edit button to open the JavaScript Editor dialog box. You can type a JavaScript into the large white text field shown here, or copy and paste a JavaScript into this text field. Then click the OK button when finished. You can then click the Close button in the Digital Signature Properties dialog box when finished. Remember to click the Subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.